this morning. We're gonna climb this mountain back here. Morning.
Morning.
How are you? So this is the entrance to the trail, and this sign behind me says that the summit is 2,287 meters above sea level. It's about a 20-kilometer hike to get up there.
This is
This is karst,
karst. This mountain is karst.
and this lake is connected with the other lake, the Prespa lake.
Okay.
And the Prespa lake is going under the mountain, and we have some sources here
Nice.
in
Drilon in Tushemish. This village.
the southeast of
Here.
the lake. Is full of the sources that come from Prespa lake. And
With water to drink.
yeah,
Name of this mountain. Mali thought about mountain without greens, but
It's like dry mountain, yeah.
dry.
But do you know why it's called that?
No.
No. Well, I know it's dry, but like there's water that goes underneath it too. So. girls are from France, correct?
Yeah.
I met them this morning when I got into the van. What do you think of Albania so far?
Diverse landscapes, great hiking, really friendly people.
Yeah,
Welcoming.
This is Lecky right here, and he he is a part owner of a agency. Are you part owner?
Yes.
The part owner of a tourism agency, Visit Pogradec, based here in Pogradec, and they take people on bike tours, hiking, all that sort of stuff. And if you want to go on something like this, the link to their website is in my description, and you can go look at that. Is that accurate? So, how do we get down from here?